Yeah, so hey everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you SOP1 of IT class 12. So let me open the folder. So this is the folder PPT I had created. So we are looking at the chapter 1 SOP, that is advanced chapter name, that was advanced web designing. That is, in this video I am going to uh, show you SOP1, that is creation of website using HTML5. So create a website. So this is a question of SOP1. So uh, they had mentioned to create a website using HTML5 and CSS. In this we have to use 4 CSS properties and write a code for 2 separate pages having different file names, such as first page has HTML index.html and second page has page2.html. Use any theme such as college profile or company profile. Every page must contain proper meta information and design and web page as follows. Index the index page must contain a heading which is highest. So we have to use the H1 heading in the index page, which is the highest heading among the other text on the pages, and be must be at the center of the page. Must be a paragraph which introduces the general information about the theme chosen. So we have to write a paragraph which introduce general information about the theme chosen. It almost have it must have at least 3 physical style tags and 1 image with alter with alternate text with alternate text. This page must be connected to other page with proper navigation links and instruction for second page, that is a second page must contain the feedback or environment related with theme chosen with features of HTML5. The form must contain text element and email address of the company or person. Include the submit button. So let me open the code I had already written for this question. Let me new for IT. So as you can see, this is the 2 folders over here. Index.html. So index.html and page2.html. So let me first open the file in Notepad. So over this we have to first right click on the file and right click on it, and we have to open on Notepad. So this is our code. So first is over here is doc type HTML head meta charge sheet UTF-8. So we had used the UTF-8, which is so UTF-8 is a uh, element which combines all characters like A, B, C, D, star, exclamatory marks, all and all other symbols in the HTML program. The meta name is author, content, physical tags. So we had given title ABC company style. We had given a style. So we have to use a CSS. So I had used the CSS over here. So let me open the program side by side. So here this is our program and let me open the code. So as you can see, uh, in the right side we have output. So ABC company. So title here is appear here on this tab and style H1 heading border style dotted. So we had selected border style as dotted over here. As you can see, we have border style dotted. So in this we see that the lines were dotted and the border style is dotted over here and the text align is center. So here you can see the text is along the center align. The paragraph is of a I had used the aqua color. So you can change it. Also you can change the color. You have to save the file and again you open the file and this is how you can change the color of the paragraph text. Okay. Paragraph color of the paragraph and uh, we I had set the font size as 15 points and italic text decoration overline. So as you can see, uh, the paragraph is in a italic tab have overline text decoration and underline text have font weight 300. So this here I had applied underline physical tag as a physical tag for this paragraph. So here the font weight is 300. So as you can see over here, body. Then I had used H1, which is the highest heading. Welcome to ABC company. Welcome to ABC company. Paragraph ABC company bold and is a leading company in the field. So I had not used the bold. I had used only bold for ABC company. So here, as you can see, I had used the bold for this text only, and another I had used another paragraph. In this, I had used italic tag. It is a physical tag in HTML. I had applied italic tag in this sentence. So another you can see underline I had applied in this sentence. So I had closed the paragraph. You can see I had open a individual paragraph and close it. Individual paragraph and close it for every three sentences. And I have implemented image source. So here image source is this particular location of the image, and this is our output. As you can see, this is the image. So how to uh, insert image location over this. So you have to open the data files. Data files. We have mobile. So as you can see, this photo we have to upload. So we have to go to the properties, and we have to copy the location. Copy the location. Copy the location over here. Then we have to use this slash, and then give the name of the file, and then extension of the file, that is jfif is the extension of my file. So you can find this extension over this uh, mobile properties by the properties, image properties. Here this is the image name, and this is the extension for that image. So in this, the alternate for this image, I had used this ABC Corporation logo with 300 height 300. So you can change the height and width of the images we had implemented, and underline list, unordered list, and here I had a user anchor hyper reference of page2.html, that is a feedback form over here, and had opened the hyperreference for page2.html had, and I had written the text, that is feedback form, and close the anchor tag. I also close the list tag over here and the unordered list. So here you can see the feedback form. I am opening the feedback form. So I had successfully opened the feedback form over here. So this is our feedback form, as you can see. So let me open the code for that. So if you want to open the code, you have to click on right click, and open it in the notepad. So here I had used the doc type HTML, and HTML languages English, meta, character, UTF-8, meta name description, content feedback form, meta name author, content your name. So here I can use my name, and a title, it is feedback form, style, add user style, CSS style, H1, I use the color maroon. So this here, over here, this is the H1. So here you can find the H1 heading one, first heading, first level heading, feedback form. I had put the color maroon, and body. I had set a background color yellow. You can also change it like aqua, and save by using the key on Control S to save the file and refresh it. So you can see the uh, background color has been changed to aqua. So here you have to put a style in the heading, inside the heading, then uh, h1 tag after body tag. You have to note that. And form name f1, full name over here. And you use the input type equals to text name equals to name. And this I had said it is would be required necessary. I'd use the br tag to break the lines. Email address over here, and a br tag to break the lines. And use the input type goes to email, id goes to email, name email, it is required. Br tag use, we had used br tag. For submit button, we had used input type equals to submit, and value submit. And here form is closed, here the form is open, and here form is closed. After the h1 tag, we had used the form and close the form after the submit button. And here I had used the unordered list, and use, and here list, under the list tag I'd use the anchor tag and hyper reference to index.html. That is the index page, that is this page. And this is the index page, and this is a feedback form. So this here it is directly by clicking this link, you can the page will directly directed towards the index page. That is this particular page. This is index.html. So I put back to home over here and close the anchor tag, closing of list tag, close of unordered list. This is unordered list dot, and close of body tag, html tag, and this is a final output. You can see is the index page over here, feedback form. So here the link is navigated. Here the main page index.html, and here feedback form, and down the link back to the home, the index.html. So this is the overall video on SOP1. I will soon upload video on the remaining SOP which would come into the exam of class 12.